Hi from Elai. I am Gia, a digital human presenter created by Elai.io. Translation videos are becoming increasingly popular as more and more people seek to share their content with a global audience. With the help of Elai, it is now possible to create accurate and high-quality translations of videos with just a single click. Take advantage of Easy Videos localization. Follow this straightforward step-by-step guide to translate your videos with just a click. Go to the Videos section, choose the video you want to translate, and pick the translation icon right from the list. Select the language you want to translate your project into from a wide variety of options. Click Translate and get a full-fledged translated version of your video. All the slides will be translated into the required language. Using Elai, you can quickly and accurately translate the spoken content of a video into a variety of different languages. This means that you can easily reach a wider audience and share their message with people from all over the world. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye from Elai.